Hello, dear friends. I am Nadeem Razak Khohara, and you are watching my YouTube channel Prime Hub AI. Today, I am going to tell you about how to set up OpenClaw. You have definitely heard this word. Whole world is talking about OpenClaw. In recently, there was a news that the creator of OpenClaw has joined OpenAI, and you can imagine what impact it has. So, first of all, before setting up the OpenClaw, I would like to tell you about brief introduction about what is actually OpenClaw. So basically, this is the personal AI assistant, a personal AI agent. You can talk with it. You can ask this agent to work in the background. It can handle the background task of your system. It doesn't matter which system do you have. If you have Windows or Linux operating system or any other operating system, if even if you have any other device, any type of device, it can handle any type of device for your work. So to set up the OpenClaw, you have first of all three prerequisites you should have. First of all, you should have at least one API key. You may get from OpenAI, Claude. Definitely, Anthropic is going into the news, very hot news. You can get from the Claude, or you can get API key from any of the major key players. It's up to you, up to your budget. I will recommend that you should get Claude API, and you can use your Claude the monthly subscription. You can also use Claude monthly subscription, but you can use if you add few dollars to your account of Claude console, and you can get the API and work with it. So I will tell you about how to set up that API key in a separate video. But in this video, I am going to tell you how to set up OpenClaw in your Windows operating system. The OpenClaw is definitely a next level of AI agents, and you should have at least try it. So let's go and have a setup on Windows operating system. So friends, for Linux operating system, I pasted the link in the description. You can click on that link, or simply you can go to the browser and type openclaw.ai. The website will open. Let's have a look on this website. If you go below, you shall check that there is a link, CURL link. Definitely developers will know that CURL link is used for opening the links in terminal. So there is a link. You can easily say URL and openclaw.ai, and we will copy it, and then we will open terminal. In Linux operating system, for opening the terminal, you have keyboard shortcut control alt t, or you can use any other uh, directly you can open the terminal. Go to the terminal and then paste that CURL link here and press enter. It will take few seconds or few minutes for setting up. As you can see, that OpenClaw installer has detected your operating system, and and remember one thing: you should have also Node, greater version of Node from 22 to 23. Recently, the version of 24 is being released. It have been released. You should at least install that Node. uh, I will make a separate video to how to install Node on your operating system. So let's focus back on to how to install OpenClaw. As you can see, installing is in process, and it will take few times. Node.js version 24 is already installed on my system, and npm is already active, and you can see that Linux operating system is this system has detected the Linux operating system. So you can see, friends, that here is a few settings you have to set up while installing the OpenClaw, and you can check that this is the question. So beware, friends. If you are cautious about your security, the security of your system or your personal data, you should use this into your sandbox. I am not going at this step, but you should use or you should install this OpenClaw into the sandbox, so it will work in sandbox and it will not accidentally change your sensitive files. Now I'm going to click on yes. And configuration, for configuration you have two modes, quick start and manual. You can choose manual or quick start. I will choose quick start so that to make this video and to make this setup easy for you to understand. First of all, you have to choose the model. uh, Remember guys that the base of this OpenClaw is basically a large language model, which is this agent is driven by that LLM. So you have to choose which LLM will be responsible to run this OpenClaw agent. You can choose from many of them, one of them. OpenAI definitely at top of the list, and Anthropic or and VLLM Minimax. Even you can choose the free of cost LLM, open source LLM. If you have power system power enough with good GPU or good RAM, you can install Llama on your screen and you can run the LLM, open source LLM on your local machine, and you can back power that LLM to here. But as I earlier said, that you have to choose at least one large language model to backsport or power this OpenClaw. So I am choosing Anthropic here, and I will enter. And here I have to enter the Anthropic API key. So I will select the Anthropic API key. So now I am going to enter the Anthropic API key, but remember that you have to choose your own API key by logging in and by uploading or by adding few dollars, few bucks into your account. You can choose OpenAI, Anthropic, or any of the model, or all the paid version are available everywhere. So I will choose my own API key. And so as you can see guys that I have set up the API key, and default model I have to set up the default model by Anthropic, and there are few models available. Latest model is obviously Opus 4.6. You can choose it, but I will choose less model so that to avoid any extra cost. As this is just setup, so I will use for example Sonnet. So next stage is to link your messaging app with this AI agent. This is very crucial step, and why it is included. Definitely, you have to interact with this agent, and this have the power to you can use it with your messaging app. Various every type of various messaging app like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, even Slack and Signal. All the messaging instant messaging app available everywhere are included in it. You can use for your own choice. Most of the time most people use WhatsApp or Telegram. and which are on top of the list. You can use also your Discord bot API, but first you have to make some configuration, and then you will add that. I am going to add my WhatsApp API, WhatsApp, sorry, QR code. With it, you have to link while click. So as you can see that my WhatsApp is linked with it, and OpenClaw is asking that if this is your personal number or separate. I would recommend you to use a separate number for integrating with OpenClaw, but you can use your own personal number, and you should have to give your own number here, and then press enter. And it is asking for configuring the skills. You should definitely configure few skills for it, so that it can smoothly run, and your basic requirements should be met before even setting up. So I will set it a skill, and I am not adding high level of skills, only just I will few 2 3 skills I will add. So for adding the skills, you just by pressing the up and down arrow button, select that skill and press the space bar. That will skill will be selected. So I have only selected one skill and pressed enter, and now preferred mode manager for skill install is npm. You can use pnpm. I am using npm, and it is now installing Claw Hub, and it is a skill set to be used for OpenClaw. So now it is asking for Google Places API key. I don't require at this time. And Nano Banana for Nano Banana Pro for image generation, it is asking for setting up the Gemini API key. I am selecting no. I am not interested for this, as this is for only for setup. So I am bypassing all this. Uh, Now skip for now, and installing the gateway service. Gateway service is installed, as you can see. And what is the gateway? Basically, gateway is, you can see that it is the major point of the interaction between you and the OpenClaw AI agent. So you can leave all the if this is complex, looking complex to you, you can leave those setups to recommended. So open, I will select do this later, and now it has opened the setup where you can chat with your AI agent, your personal AI agent. You can type any type of message. You can ask it to what to do, what not to do, and even you can go to your WhatsApp, and you can same your WhatsApp number should be same logged in, and you have to talk with your own WhatsApp number. So this is the way to interact with OpenClaw. Everything is ready, and we will come up with the next video.